Hi, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this latest Transporter T6.1. This one's coming to stock. It's the 199 PS 4Motion model, Highline specification. It's a January 21 registered on a 70 prefix, and it's in pure grey, as you can see. Now this vehicle is a one owner vehicle. It's got a comprehensive Volkswagen service history, had its Haldex 4-wheel drive service, DSG service, been serviced by Volkswagen, got all the history available with the vehicle. Lots of factory options on this particular van, 20-inch alloys, etc. I'll do a quick walk around now of the condition, super condition, just over 45,000 miles on the clock. Apologies, my new boots are squeaking a little. Been fully detailed in our on-site valet bay recently. So it's got the lower front splitter, all been fitted by the previous owner. These Highline models, great specification as standard. Front and rear park sensors, adaptive cruise control, folding heated wing mirrors and heated windscreen, they're all standard on this Highline. As I say, 20-inch, these are Wolf Race wheels. All tyres good, etc. Got the trapeze black sidebars and the roof bars. We've done the privacy tints on the side loading doors and the rear tailgate. Bumper protector on there as well. I'll walk around the outside and then I'll show you inside the vehicle. Tailgate spoiler. So there's the bonnet, just points out a couple of light stone chips. Going to have those for the age and mileage, of course, for the vehicle. They've all been professionally touched in, etc. Fog lights, they're all standard as well. Okay, so some of the additional factory options, all expensive options. So LED headlights with daytime running lights, roughly around £1,400 those. So it has the full screen Discover Media navigation system, DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, that's wireless, and navigation of course, or you can run your phone through the system. With Apple CarPlay you can have your Google Maps or Siri Maps, etc. Your navigation as an option, roughly about £1,600, and also it's got the heated seats and the twin side electric side doors. So great specification on this vehicle. Now also what we've done to this vehicle, we have our leather trim bespoke made, all embossed with our MASV. This one's had the red stitch detailing, and this is our latest 2025 pattern, all perforated Napa leather. So front captain seats, 2 single front seats, that's standard on this Kombi model. This is a factory Kombi, not a conversion. There we go, electric side door. Show you the interior again. Now this one's got what we call a 1+2 seat. So it's got a single seat on the near side of the vehicle and a dual seat on the off side. All 3 seats can be removed, very easy. You can just remove the single one or the double one depending what load space you want. If you put in a bike or a motorbike, very multi-purpose these vehicles. There we go, battery doors closing there. Okay, this one we've also had fully sound deadened right through to the front doors, carpet lined, LED downlighters. There we go. Alcantara roof lining. Has the rubber floor, that's all standard in a Kombi. Also you've got downlights on your tailgate if you're loading dark winter's night, etc. Just gives you that visibility, all controlled by some neat switches. Now another factory option on this vehicle, it's got the reverse camera, comes up on your navigation unit, rear parking sensors. This one's also got the Volkswagen detachable tow bar. There's a socket for it. Tailgate glass, heated, and your rear wash wipe. Again, privacy tint we've done ourselves. Let's open this near side door. There we go. All MASV, all professionally leather trimmed, not just seat covers these. Okay, so easy entry to the rear. Pull that lever, tilt your seat forward, and you can get into the rear. Always on the near side, of course, because safer. You don't want to be getting out really into the oncoming traffic. There we go. Show you from this passenger side. So you can turn the passenger airbag off if you want a young child in the front. DSG gearbox, air conditioning standard, multifunction steering wheel with adaptive cruise control as well. So all the specification will be on our website very shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk, also www.justnicevans.co.uk. Any questions, give myself Chris a call, 07888 989877. Be happy to arrange an appointment to view this super vehicle. Any questions, certainly give me a call. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.